Assalamu alaikum. This is Junait. I'm studying the 10th video of Laravel Fundamental. The last video, we have learned Laravel Blade Master Template Configuration. At first, I want to clear that Laravel Migration is an essential feature in Laravel that allows to you create a table in your database. It allows you to modify and share the application database schema. We can modify the table by adding a new column or deleting an existing column. To make a Laravel migration, at first you need a database. I like to use MySQL database, and in this course we will use MySQL database. At first we are going to our Laravel project, then go to environment variable .env variable, and you can see on line number 14 database name Laravel. So you can edit or modify it. I'm writing here Junait.com. Save this file and I'm closing all file. Now go to database folder, then migration folder. Here you will see some demi migration file. You can delete this. I'm deleting this. Delete. And now I will making a new migration. In our Laravel course video, I will share all essential commands. Here you will see the PHP artisan migrate command and the PHP artisan make migration command. I am copying this. Copy, then new terminal, then paste it. Now write here the migration name. I'm writing here users, then press enter. After press the enter button, we are seeing the migration file. So now click this, and here you will find two methods, up method and down method. Up method works only at front migration, and the down method works only for migration rollback. And up method and down method both can modify table, column, index, create table, column, index, also delete this. In future, we will learn details about up method and down method. Today, I am using only up method. Now I am going to the support documentation, which I have given in third video description link. Here you can click and found this, and then some scroll down and you will find, at first we will return schema, then resolution operator, then create, then we will write here the table name, then a callback function, and here we will write the table column name. Okay, now remove the comment, write schema SCH, or you can copy from here, select copy and paste here schema, then resolution operator, and then write create CREATE, then pass a parameter and here write the table name. So my table name is users, then comma, make a callback function function, then first bracket, we will write here the blueprint, paste here blueprint and use that as a variable. I'm write here $variable table table, then function body will make the table column. Copy the table variable, paste here, write here big increment, then ID, then semicolon. Big increment means I was written here details. Big increments, it's a auto increment with primary key. So always use at first big increments method. Copy it, some copy, and big increments after it's string string and the column name should name and delete this. Don't forget write a semicolon. Save. After this, we will need our XAMPP software. Here Apache and MySQL server. Press start. After start, then press admin. Here don't have the Junait.com database. You can make here a new database from click new, and the database name which you have written in env variable this. You can create it manually, but I am not making it manually. I will make it by Laravel command. This is so easy and so short time. Now press terminal, new terminal, then write the migration, my video description, and copy PHP artisan migrate and paste here, paste. Then you will see a message that the Junait.com database does not exist on the MySQL connection. Would you like to create it? Yes, just write here yes, then press enter. After press enter, we are going to MySQL server, then reload, and we will find the Junait.com database. We will find the user table and some columns which we have made.